Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Connecting your iPhone to an HP printer in 2025 is incredibly straightforward, thanks to the HP Smart app. This free, essential application truly is the definitive method for reliable mobile printing. It gives you complete control over your HP printer, all from the convenience of your iPhone. This video will walk you through every step, ensuring you're printing effortlessly and accurately in just a few minutes. Your first step is to visit the Apple App Store and download the official HP Smart application. Simply search for HP Smart and tap to install the app with the familiar HP logo. Once downloaded, open the app and it will guide you through the initial setup. Make sure your iPhone is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your printer will be. This is crucial for the next steps. With the HP Smart app open, you'll be prompted to add your printer. The app is incredibly smart. It will automatically scan your local Wi-Fi network to find compatible HP printers nearby. Simply select your specific printer from the list that appears. In just a few seconds, your iPhone and HP printer will be securely connected, ready for your first print job. Now for the exciting part, printing. Within the HP Smart app, you can easily select anything from photos in your camera roll to documents stored on your iPhone. Just navigate to the file you wish to print, review your print settings, like the number of copies or paper type. Once everything looks perfect, simply tap the print button and your document will begin printing immediately. Sometimes, minor glitches can occur, but don't worry, they are easy to fix. If your printer isn't connecting, always check that both your iPhone and the HP printer are on the exact same Wi-Fi network. A quick restart of both devices can often resolve most issues instantly. The HP Smart app itself also features helpful diagnostic tools if you need further assistance, ensuring a smooth printing experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.